Hello, good morning students, welcome back. Today we are going to start with English grammar portion. The name of our the name of our lesson is doing words. What is the name of our lesson? Doing words. Doing words म्हणजे काय? तुम्हाला काय समजते या शब्दापासून? Doing words means in every sentence there is one word which does action. Correct? Now if I will give you example, teacher teaches in the classroom. What is my action? My action is of teaching. Correct? Students listen to the voice of teacher. What is your action? Listening. Understood? Like that so many examples are given. Some examples are given in your book. Take out your page number 26. Page number 26, doing words. Your first one. I pray every day. What action is done by this boy? Pray. So pray is what? Doing word. Second one. She reads a book. What is second? She reads a book. Reading is what? Her action. Reads is what? Action. So it is a doing word. Rahul kicks the ball. What is Rahul doing? Rahul kicks the ball. Kicking is an action done by Rahul. So kicks is what? Kicks is doing words. Doing word. Next one. The sun rises. What action is done by sun? It rises. Okay. So rises is what? Doing word. The cock crows. Early morning we hear crowing of what? Cock. Correct or not? कोंबडा सकाळी ओरडतो की नाही? So crows is what? Crows is what? Crows is action done by cock. And the last example which is given here is the dog barks. The action of dog is what? Barking. भुंकतोय कुत्रा, right? So barking is what? Action of the dog. So barks is what? It is an action word. Now downside here it is told that in the sentences above all the colored words are doing actions. And in English grammar doing words means what? Doing words means what? Doing words are also called action words. They are also called action words and they are also called verbs. Doing words, action words and verbs. तिन्ही पण शब्दांचा मीनिंग एकच आहे, अर्थ एकच आहे. You can call it as verb, you can call it as action words, you can call it as doing words. Any word in the sentence which does action, correct, is called verb. Three words meaning is same. या तिन्ही शब्दांचा मीनिंग एकच आहे. डुईंग वर्ड म्हणजे काय? सेंटेन्समध्ये काहीतरी करते ती, तो शब्द काहीतरी करतो, मीन्स डुईंग. ॲक्शन वर्ड मीन्स वॉट? सम ॲक्शन इज डन, करेक्ट ना? टीचिंग इज अ ॲक्शन, रायटिंग इज अ ॲक्शन, जम्पिंग इज ॲक्शन, सिंगिंग इज ॲक्शन, क्राईंग इज ॲक्शन, लाफिंग इज ॲक्शन. दिस ऑल वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड डुईंग वर्ड्स. Here it is now. Words that show what a person, animal, bird or thing does are called action words. Action words are called doing words. I told you doing words ला action words पण म्हणतात. आणि when you will go in third standard this action words will be called verbs. Noun, pronoun, verb. Noun means what? Naming words, name of a person, place, animal, birds, things. Correct? Pronoun means what? The words which are used instead of noun. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. They are pronouns. Then verbs are what? Verbs are action words in the sentences. Understood? So now some examples are given now here. We are going to fill these blanks with the action words. First one, look at the picture and complete the sentences below with it. With doing words. Choose the words from. First one, the boy's father dash into the room. Boy's father is what doing? walks in the room. So first answer is walks. Second, the boy dash out the candles. The boy blows. Blowing, yes or no? He is blowing or not candles? So the boy blows. Second answer is B-L-O-W-S, blows. Third one, everyone sings the birthday song. What they are doing? They all are singing birthday song. So third answer is sings. S-I-N-G-S, sings. Fourth one, the boy's mother dash her hands. What boy's mother is doing? She's clapping her hands. So claps. The boy's mother claps her hands. Fifth one, all the children wear caps. Everyone is having cap. सगळ्यांनी टोप्या घातल्या आहे का? हो. So everyone wear caps. So fifth answer is wear. Sixth one, the boys dash snacks. Snacks is kept over here. What boys are doing? They are eating. So the boys eat. Sixth answer is what? The boys eat snacks. Seventh one, the girls dash well. Girls, where are girls? Yes, the girls, they are dancing. Yes, they are dancing. So the girls dance well. D-A-N-C-E, dance well. Eighth one, the boy dash lots of presents. So what is answer? Gets. The boy gets. G-E-T-S, gets. In this way, we have completed all 8. We have completed all 8 fill in the blanks. You have to complete in your book. After that, turn your page. Question number 2. In question number 2, you have to match the sentences with the correct pictures. The baby sleeps. Where it is? Fifth one. Correct? The baby sleeps. Fifth one. त्याची जोडी लावायची. Okay, match the pair करायचं. Second one. The aeroplane flies. It is fourth. Correct? The kangaroo jumps. Second one. The mother cooks. Sixth one. The boy plays. First one. And sixth one, the driver drives in the car. Correct? So it is third one answer. In this way you have to match the pairs. After that, question number 3, you have to underline the words, underline the verbs below. I told you verbs means what? Action words. Verbs are also called doing words. So now what action is done in this sentence? First one, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Which is action word? Wake up. Okay, wake up. Second, I brush my teeth. Now what action this boy is doing? The boy is brushing. So brush is what? Action. Third one, I take a bath. Take is what? Taking is an action. So take is what? Take is action. Fourth one, I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. Eat is what? Action in the sentence. So E-A-T, eat is what? Action. So you have to underline it. Next one, fifth one, I wear my school uniform. So the boy is wearing school uniform. So which word is action word? Wear. W-E-A-R, wear is action word. And sixth one, then I leave for school. Leave is what? Action word, or it is called verb in the sentence. So you have to underline. I have underlined all answers. Please underline all answers properly and complete your homework, so that when you will come in school, I will able to check your homework. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day. We will meet with new chapter, the cries of animals and birds, that we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay. Thank you.